Make serious money with these stock market tips. Many people avoid learning about the stock market because they don't see any point to this type of investment. They think that if they invest in the stock market that they'll lose everything, unless they happen to be very lucky. This is unfortunate, as all you need to be a successful stock market investor is a little education. Read on for some tips about how to invest in the stock market. When things are on the decline in a clearly bear market, look for stocks that are undervalued. These would be stocks that have low prices, but are expected to grow higher in the short run. If a company is stable and promising with a cheap stock price, it could be a good investment. Keep in mind that there is a variety of stocks available. Compared to bonds, commodities, real estate and certificates of deposit, stocks might seem like a singular venture, but within the stock world there are many options. Common divisions within the stock market include specific sectors, growth patterns and sizes of companies. Stock investors routinely discuss things like small and large caps and growth versus value stocks. It is good to learn the terminology. Don't focus solely on the stock prices when choosing investments. Although a company's stocks may rise temporarily, crashing and burning is very possible. It is the best idea to research different businesses and find out which ones typically do the best over the long term. Use research to make the best choices. After watching this video, you should understand a little more about how the stock market works and how to invest in it. Now that you have some knowledge, you can safely invest some of your money and watch it double or even triple. Soon everyone else will want to know what made you so lucky, and you can honestly tell them that it wasn't just luck. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.